Hey, that nigga real talking about some high as fuck. Some I peed on her face. That nigga wildin', check.
Bro, what the fuck is the word, nigga? Hold on. Oh, drop shit. I know B6 top price for unless you my nigga dog.
What's good, nigga? Be family back with another vlog. It's your boy Kyle. We finna slide to a little meet. It's okay, already been jumping, but they go to Popo the hoes. My boy D. I already know what the fuck going on. Damn! Oh, them windows up, my nigga. Okay, back to the old scene.
Supersonicing.
But yeah, we finna slide, go play some volleyball. The boys already out there. I had to run to go grab my camera, I ain't gonna lie. I didn't have it at first. Well, I had it, but my dumb ass forgot the fucking battery, bro. Dang homies. So yeah, I done whooped some ass already. Finna slide back, type shit. Yada yada. Top as fuck. I tried to do a little burnout, nigga, before I left. Shit was whack, chat. I ain't gonna lie. What your pussy on, bro?
You nasty.
Yeah. This shit cooking, nigga. Get this shit cooking, nigga. Get this shit cooking, nigga. We outside. I need some liquor though.
What we got going on?
I need some liquor though.
We got the guys out here. Hey, hard liquor coming after this. Bro, what the fuck is the word, nigga? Hold on. Oh, about to drop shit.
Chill, nigga. Oh yeah. Perfect timing. No, he got. Yo, please tell me you got the. Oh my god. He gotta just go. I'm glad I brought the camera. No, that was wild, chat. I look, you wanna get in the game, nigga. Yo. Leave that shit alone. Leave that shit. We just seen that nigga too. Low key. Hey twin, what the fuck are you doing, nigga? Your ass trolling. You see that shit, fool? He said no.
He said no, he ain't see that shit.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, fuck that car. Hey, bro, he wrecked, nigga. Right here, he smacked that. Oh, shit. Nigga, he wrecked. He smacked that bitch. What look you get? Hit it, man. Say no more. Nigga, that hand dog.
Hey, I fuck around and take that bitch.
What?
The whole sign.
Okay. Nigga, we not gonna be able to come back here, ho. We not gonna be able to come back here. I got that bitch.
I ain't gonna lie to you. That bitch might say 20 miles per hour, but he's facing 25, 20 to life.
Ain't no more 20 miles per hour. He didn't cut it off. It's how many hours?
Don't try to slide.
You wanna go?
Look, don't try to slide in the V6. That's how your ass gonna end up.
Why do you
You're not gonna disrespect me like that.
If you don't got will, twin, do not slide, twin. If you don't got will,
We're not gonna say a V6. Don't try to slide in a V6 Chrysler. Cause nigga, V6 Chrysler. V6 Chrysler get dangerous. So
Niggas don't need cats.
Don't try no V6 top Chrysler unless you my nigga dog.
hope he is though. Cause then they'll be on the gallery.
I'm glad that nigga just went home.
Hey, what? Ando went home.
I'm glad that nigga.
He needed to go home.
He should have just went home.
Ando, if you not going home, boy, we on your ass.
Nah, for real. Nah, you didn't see how that nigga peeled off?
All I gotta say to Ando,
No fucking way.
Hey, you disrespectful. That nigga.
Hey, let me talk.
Bro, free my nigga Ando, bro. He ain't fix that shit, man. You need to fix that shit. We gotta see that damage, though. Somebody called the group chat. He was calling the group chat.
I'm finna call his number, nigga.
Better be look.
That nigga towed his whole front. He ain't know.
All white was black from both. They can't drive. They can do that doctor drive.
No, that was crazy. I look when I watch it back. Hold on.
Don't come back. Go home. Go home, nigga. Put the car in the garage. Don't come out.
Come back. Come back. Where you going?
Oh, no, don't come back. I'll get you an Uber back here. Don't go home.
Yeah, they outside. They outside. Where are you at? You going home? Ain't no holy straight, bro.
No, nigga, I'm at the end of the block.
Alright, bro. Bro, I don't want to put my. Wait. Yo, Taylor, you want to go scoop him real quick? Alright, we're gonna.
I look to see the damage though. I want to see the damage though. I ain't gonna lie. See the damage though. You gotta go see the damage.
Oh fuck! Puto madre.
That's okay. Fuck it. Started around extensions with a dick on.
Nobody got this house game. I'm not gonna lie. He said he's straight down the road.
Where you going? You finna be on bullshit? Where you going? Where you going?
We're just going down the road.
I wanna ride.
Literally down the street.
That motherfucker again. Ah, shit,
Okay.
you got caught. Back. I know it's 50.
No respectful. Oh Lord.
What it is?
Be careful.
Oh.
Don't say none of them. I swear to God, you need to apologize for that.
I told her, hey, look, hey, bro, that's the second. Bro, I told you, you can.
It just went like this.
It just went like this.
That's the second time I told you.
Right now, my brothers will hit it. Beat your ass.
It's about to be yours.
What you mean?
I'm a five-time champ, bro. I'll fight anybody, nigga. I'm a five-time golden girl champ.
Hey, you gonna catch 2, 2, 3
I'm a five-time. I do MMA and
No
boxing.
apology.
I said sorry. Right, come here.
Hi,
I went
vlog.
the battery. Oh, you get your car fixed?
No, I did not.
Damn.
What type of car you got?
A convertible Camaro.
That bitch what? Ain't gonna lie.
When he said he down the street, he went this way, so he up there.
Right up.
That's him?
No, I'm talking about down there. Yeah, he in that parking lot right there.
Oh, yeah.
That nigga.
This nigga, he said, yo, see if somebody got zip ties. Nigga, don't nobody got zip ties, bro.
Bro, this the time Joey need to keep his calls, son.
Yeah, bro. Bro, you dumb, bro. What's
I didn't see it happen, bro.
for real? Come on, bro, hurry up.
Damn, what the hell happened up there?
No, nigga, traction did not fuck with my car today, nigga. I'm a nigga hand on those. Yeah, what's good, bro?
Oh, it got a.
Yo,
it needs the clamp.
Yeah, it needs the clamp. I got a new bumper. I got a new bumper tomorrow. I got it from Rich. Don is completely not seeing that shit. I ain't gonna front. Oh, wait, what's everybody saying though? What was everybody?
Everybody
like,
said, oh, nigga, you stupid.
But they,
It's my fault.
huh?
It's my fault.
Nah, it was.
How's it my fault? It's not even that bad, though. It's not
yeah, I thought it was worse. I ain't
It's
gonna lie.
not.
I thought it was way worse than how they made it.
I can shit, but
You gonna leave your shit here? Alright, come on.
Give him back his car. Come on, everybody, get in the car. My bad.
We got enough. Wait, how many? Ain't no leaving shit? Yeah. Skate, yo, I'll buy this off right now. Oh, that's the Drake. Oh my.
Cup holder.
Yo, I got you with a drum too. The Drake got a drum mat. It's coming in the mail though.
Drake got the drum.
I'll just give it to you. Is that my apology?
Yes, I said okay.
Why you not looking at me though?
Because
I said sorry.
I'm very stubborn in this principle.
I know you is.
I got 5
Bro, I
brothers.
swear to God, I
They
went like
taught me
this.
way.
I swear to God, I went like this and it ain't.
I blame them. I blame my brothers. I blame all
It
5 of them.
went like this though. That's not. I can't control my fucking hand, nigga.
I'm not your nigga.
I need some water.
You really not.
I thought that shit was gonna be bad. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't even gonna lie. I thought it was.
His car better though? It ain't as bad? Is it a clip-on? Like a press-on?
Yo, Table, you gotta fix this, bro. I gotta fix it.
Nah, yeah, I just told him that.
Oh, never mind. That's good.
I thought I did this. Oh, W names.
Let me get one.
White boy trying to hide him on some dumb shit. Talking about some
I'm talking about hop out with a video. Oh my god. That's so deep as fuck. Get outside, nigga. Look at this bitch. Go ahead. I'm trying to get that shit started. Get you outside. That nigga really smacked this shit.
Bro, I ain't even see it.
I got it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. I was right there in the street.
Gotta be the intro. Gotta be the intro. Gotta be the intro.
Oh god. Nah, that's smart.
I wanna see it, bro.
You got a vape? Nah, you got a C-charger in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, throw this in there. Damn, it's a lot bad. Damn, don't tell me I left that shit in there.
What Joey yet, bro?
Someone take the vape. I lost my shit. Thanks for both. I lost my shit.
You lost your vape?
Huh? Yeah, that's what I was trying to charge.
Oh, they busted. Look at that money.
Oh, they trolling.
Hey, we got y'all niggas out.
They running them down, fool. They running them down, fool. He running them. Hey, he on that shit.
Hey, walk them down.
Hey, that nigga ran him down, nigga.
Ain't no sweet shit, nigga. We rushing down.
Nah, that nigga hawked him down. He said I definitely would've got hit in the chest though.
They after me, bro.
They after you. That's why I'm outside, niggas. They after you. I ain't chilling with your ass.
They spinning in a fucking Jeep, nigga. Look like my bitch would.
They spinning in a box car, man. I ain't trying to go get
Man, we been having wars in the chat. We wait for the summer. Everybody getting 30 mags and ARPs and shit. That's why oh boy got the
ain't trying to go get one right now.
yeah, yo. Shit, they got that whole tuned up. Catch up, baby. Is that still good? How'd you get that?
It's on my car.
Show some to the chat, bitch.
Look at that ass, though. Turn on that ass. I'll do it.
I'll do it.
No man on that. Look, it's walking away. It's walking away. That nigga almost came out. It's 4-6.
He gonna play it off. He trying to play it off still, nigga. Yo, that nigga funny, fool. Hey. Oh shit. Hey, cool, my brother.
I got 10 on it.
This is AI generated chat. We're not doing nothing crazy. There you go.
Bless
There you go.
I don't need no bad shot.
Bust. Nice. Looking smooth. Cracking.
No, I'm not cracking.
Yo, table in there?
What's up?
So what you want, Unc? My shit done. I'm ready to jump some more, nigga. Car not gonna look the same after this.
Shorty said you fucked my leg tap, bro.
Who?
She said I could leg tap.
Wait, who?
The car doing weird, both of them.
Bet you better call these bet. Wait, which one?
Nah, I got like we outside like a motherfucker. And there's some cash over there.
Hey, whoa now, we do not play that shit. I can't hit niggas, you can't get hit with hollow, nigga. Quick, go hold the fan, nigga.
Chill.
If you don't got that, man, you want my whore, bro.
Oh, he bucking. Oh.
Niggas is wildin'. Yo, hold this up.
Hey, hold on, let me get out the line of fire right quick.
But he get fucked.
Hey, get away from us, bro.
They gave me the real shit. Get away from
Hard, nigga.
I do not want to get hit, bro. I'm telling y'all. Damn, I'm about to park right here.
Watch a nigga fuck around and pop their ass for real. Dead homies. Connor? Tight D.
Look, here you go. Watch out, bro. What you doing, bro?
Why is everything coming towards me, nigga?
That look like no sting, though. Ain't none of that
You got hit.
Fuck you mean, nigga? We walking down here, everything. It's true. I was sending to a shoot, trying to tell.
Oh.
Are they running back? They running back?
God damn.
He's been on feet.
That nigga got me crawl. Oh yeah, let's go play some volleyball, nigga. They dumb as hell. Chill, we outside, bitch. That shit got OD, nigga. I ain't gonna lie.
Out here, look. They better stop playing. It's not a fucking game.
We walking that nigga down. How they got all them damn Orbeez though? I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to get in this bitch. Fuck the cameraman. Did that. I'm gonna play too.
Don't call the cops, Cat. Don't call the cops, Cat. Please, bro. Can't do that.
Come on, man. You know shit.
Sorry, man.
I need like 5 of these niggas.
Gotcha.
Tell him to stop shooting. He fucked us up already. We surrender.
Wait, hold on.
Tell the ops we surrender. Call a truce.
Hit that wall. Hey, hit that wall.
Call a truce. It's the truce. I ain't gonna lie, I got hit.
Oh, we outside like a motherfucker.
Fucking on. Oh, you did?
For real?
What?
I was bobbing and weaving like a motherfucker.
Nigga, what? All I heard. I said, oh, shit. Hello. Y'all ready?
I don't even know what them niggas on.
We all ready from Mississippi. I got it.
Oh, yeah, that's up. Nigga!
Y'all getting way too fucking loud.
No, that nigga funny as hell.
Hey, don't say that loud again. Hold on. Pause. You ain't tripping, son. I'll
He can get it with the camera.
Okay.
Looking ass! Oh, yeah.
Yeah! Can't nobody help but you can't even put
Why you do that? She said who?
Y'all ready?
Yeah. You can't hit it. That's your serve.
Oh, yeah.
Up. Got it. Over the net.
Oh, come on. Let's tip.
Get it.
Come on. Oh, yeah.
I'll get a little mad.
Yeah, she woke up and ran.
Wait, does anybody keep it short? No, Yeah, that's all I know. Hey, that's all we need.
6. What do y'all have?
It's 0-1 now. It's 0-1.
Not 6-1.
No, it's like 4-1. Y'all ain't gonna see ball now.
We just got one. I'm gonna make it come to reality then.
All right.
So since that was 4 at first, it's 5. 1.
Who playing you? Oh, what's his name? You.
Let me search.
Hold on. Let me take my shit off.
Hey, what did he say? He said you freaking in the bench.
Y'all ready?
Okay, come on, make a box. Make a box for this. There we go. Make a box. So when we say come here, in. I thought you were talking about
Talk to him nice. Hey, that's how we. How you feel about that?
It's okay, I can redeem myself.
Working over the cam, nigga.
Y'all listen to the score, right? It's 6-1. You made it start from forward.
Okay. What?
I brought us back to reality.
All right. Let's try again.
Yeah, we outside.
You said what?
Come on.
You fucking with us.
What's the score? Oh yeah.
And come on.
What's the score? 7-1. Chat, we up.
I should have close with it.
Y'all ready?
Hey, raise them.
You said no kiki?
Raise them. Let's make it happen.
That's a 2.
I gotta say what?
It's 8-1.
Who playing music?
Always.
They gonna need to help over there.
Are you helping us?
On the 17.
Oh, send him up. I'm really in like 1 on, so. Come on, man. We got this. Damn me up, nigga.
Got it. Oh.
It's 9-1.
Okay, big two. They gonna need some help over there. You fucked up,
Hey, Dio, dance again for me since I can't hit it.
Yo, I'm diving out.
You, baby.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm a dance.
Hey, you dance. I can't hit it.
Oh, hey.
Hey, y'all see her dance?
Come on.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
That's out. That's us.
Blew that nigga way back.
We got 2. I'll let y'all hold.
Yeah, I've been making niggas all day.
My teammate.
Yes.
Get the numbers. Yeah, I got you. How you gonna do some 6 to 11? We gonna try to do a little something.
Hey, I'm sure y'all look.
Okay, they celebrating.
If you want it,
That's not y'all. Y'all didn't get that.
If you want it, I'll take you through that.
For this, all right, let's lock your chest. Let's lock your chest.
14-1.
That's 1. That's 2.
What?
That's 2. We had 1 to start with.
Y'all didn't get that one.
Me too, I think walk gone, bro.
Look, this nigga. Yeah, you gotta tell him. Tell that's 4.
It's 4 when they do it. It's probably you do it.
Oh yeah, that's us.
Come on. Y'all ass. He said he was waiting. I thought y'all was good at this.
Hey, we out here like motherfucker.
Isn't it ass?
All this shit.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on.
Come on. There it is.
Hit it.
Hold on.
Hit it. Look at it.
Damn, money.
It hit the net. It hit the net. It hit the net. Switch. It went.
Nah, that's wax.
No, it didn't.
That was wax. Hey, who keys it at? Whose keys it at? Whose keys are those? Whose keys are those? Say bye to the chat. Say bye to the chat.
I'm sorry, my brown
Say
sugar
bye to
queen.
the chat.
Y'all got 2.
That's you. Oh, come on, money. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That was out.
What? Let's say to the dub though. Good work though. Good teamwork.
They need 2 more.
You said serve it? Is that cocky? All right. What's up?
Oh yeah, money. That's out. We'll take that. We'll take that.
Hey, 5, 6, good. And it's just absurd.
Not too much.
Oh yeah.
Be humble. Like this.
Look at that.
I'm like, what are you talking about? Tattoos got it.
Then stop playing, that's all. It's out, it's out.
Yeah, turn him up.
Damn. Hey.
Oh yeah. Oh, you tripping?
That's in.
That was about a rope too.
Hey, I got back.
There you go. Oh no, that's them. My bad.
What the hell? I was out.
Damn.
I would have found that bitch on that ass.
Hey, don't say that out loud. Hey, this nigga on the street.
I could have had the whole angle, huh?
Go. Fuck it.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah.
What you running to the wheel?
Like 320, 380.
I'm at 15.
I still run it. I still got hope for my little baby.
Yeah.
And I'm 2 in stage 3, all transmission and turbo.
Stage 4 fuel pump.
We still gotta run it.
But when you say it's not about the car, it's about the driver.
No, facts. Facts. And I'm low boost.
You
And I'm low
up on the
boost.
shift and it's over with. Once you put up on that shift, it's over with. Take your mama car home. Hey, this too? Hey, done?
Hey, Dane. Walk him down. Shit.
We ain't seen them bitches coming out, bro. Like,
No, facts. I was thinking the same shit earlier.
I don't even see any
Times where y'all gotta do something. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. Yo, done.
Can I hit that Henny? You got a chaser too? I'll take this.
Walk down every time.
Give me the Henny through here.
I'm trying to switch my lane, slow that kill down and just send me some change. Still on that ass about that business. Don't know what that is. Screaming free my brother till they let him out them chains. Just chill my nigga. Yeah, I know your pain was going through the same. We back to back and stole the cars I seen and I repent to God. I can't even vent to you. I'd rather just go spit some bars. They ask me how I'm coping with my trauma. Them practice heal my scars. I sit codeine and I have bloody dreams. Got me somewhere on Mars. I was dealing with deals on the table. I'm a shooting star. I blow this shit on V's and colors and get it back tomorrow. A lot of niggas say they won't.
Yes, sir.
All I ever hear, they probably mad by somebody who got killed. Bro, they took they shit. Stacking my blick, this a conversion kit. 2024. Hey, yeah, you walking with this shit. I'm independent.
Too funny, man. Stop doing that, man. I'm walking down. He said he was the fucking boy not heavy. I don't watch you down with one gun, man. It's for y'all, man. I'm walking down every time.
Niggas really faking.
I'm leaving, man.
Are they bullshitting?
Girls on the section when we don't find you attractive, bro.
You gay. Bro, I would have dropped that bitch. Oh, she said, oh, hell no. You know that too.
That means it's ugly, bro.
No, you that nigga, gang. Come on, fool. Don't let that one little hoe do you, cuz.
But hey, her friend be back. She's like, ha ha ha. Damn. You the friend that lady? I was like, damn.
Damn, both of them ain't good?
Her and her friend was like, her friend left.
What they at?
Like I drink with them, like go talk about like.
You wanna get back to it?
And
I got more money. Them something.
Want me to get back for you, too?
I got more money than I ain't cash.
I'll rob them niggas, twin. Hey, I'll tell him meet me somewhere and leave him there. You want me to rob them niggas? They told you no, twin.
Ain't she friends with Queen? I got a first setup right here. She been out there. My show setup.
that shit hurt my shoulder.
You get that shit from on the car?
Y'all done?
Copyright.
Catch an entry on motherfucking phone, nigga. Oh, he coming back anyway. Yeah, spin back, nigga. I'm calling your pussy ass, nigga. Come on.
Hey, Dosa! Dosa!
You got a little room.
Yo, Dosa!
You got a little room. You got a little room.
A little room.
You got a little room.
Hey, if you can't get out this spot.
Hey, come through. I think I seen you. Come on.
Reverse. Hold on. I think you in
Nah,
this
just.
house. Wait. Hold on. Reverse.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. You can turn out.
Slowly.
You can just turn out.
Hold on. You ain't got to move.
Reverse a little bit.
Slowly.
Turn
Come
out.
on. Reverse. I wouldn't do that, bro.
Keep going.
Stop. Now cut it.
Now you up.
Oh, hold on. Wait.
What's up, bitch ass nigga? Don't you live over here?
Nah.
You doorman over here?
I got somebody's birthday today. I'm trying to figure out where he at.
You got a little car meet going on?
They can't drive?
Now you're trying to get out.
You can't drive though?
I guess not. Watch that curve.
Slow down. There you go right there. Hit that nigga.
Yeah, done chill.
Right there. Let me out this bitch.
Oh shit. Go! All right.
I want that girl. Oh shit. Hey,
This the type of shit you just gotta have a camera out. This shit not real, bro. Yeah, this shit not real.
I ain't gonna lie, I get hit with one of them.
You got a bait?
Somebody's hitting a 9mm straight to the dome. You got a bait? Nah, I ain't still hit. He said he had the hand like you got
Alright, kill for the bait.
You feeding right now, bro? Get this phone. I don't know who's phone this is.
I can't handle that responsibility, twin.
Hey, dog.
Whoa.
Nigga! No! Oh, you're still there?
Oh damn, it's full.
I need one.
It's full. I'm trying to record.
I'll slide. Just watch it. Got an AR.
Hold on. I gotta record.
No. Where you at? They hanging at the window. Which way to go?
They bust a right.
Come on, you know. They bust a right. They probably bust the right again because they've been busting the right. They've been busting the right. We're gonna have to just sit and wait on the ass, man. Can we spin right here? Yeah, we can spin right here. Cause it go in a circle. Cause that's what them niggas been doing. Okay. Is it this one or the next one? It's this one. It's this one. Cause ain't no car right there.
I'm ready to go ball these niggas.
The only way I'm getting drunk if I'm getting some pussy.
I'm ready to go.
That means you trying to. She said, no.
I'm checking that so somebody
Hold on, nigga. I'm ready to go bold, twin. That's why we're leaving.
You finna wash your shit?
Wash up, yeah. And go to the bone up.
I'm just straight.
Alright. You can start to my crib if you want.
I bet.
Come on. It's a little dirty. Right.
I'm trying to see what.
I'll pull it
I
next
got a shirt, so I'm trying to see.
Oh, yeah. We can. Fuck it. Come on.
That nigga say no more 40 miles per hour.
Who is that?
Alright, yo, you can take
We finna leave? We finna leave?
Take me to my car.
We're gonna go on the 8, right?
Yo, take me to my car.
Alright, I'm out. Where we meeting at? Where we meeting at? Where we meeting at?
Yo, can somebody take me to my car? Yo, you can take me to my car. Yo, stay behind me and let me know. Stay behind me and let me know if my shit. Oh damn, I'm black, nigga.
There you go. You good there.
Buster, you.
You going to room?
Nah, it's campus. Yo, fuck around, pull out behind us. I just. Oh wait, you know what part, right?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, this was fake smooth, man. This shit was fake smooth, like.
Oh God, nigga.
Man, let me see, my shit's still alive. Damn, 300 down and shit.
How good we gotta go to market so I can change. Oh, this nigga fuck on my camera, man. That shit 10 times better. Holy shit. I don't know what the fuck that nigga did. What he do? He was fucking with it. I don't know where he go.
Oh, the nigga that be taking pictures?
Yeah. Nigga was fucking with my camera, made that shit 1,000 times better.
I should be SOB for it. I
So big dude.
You
gotta do.
I'm SOB, FSO, and
Which one? Jay, tell me why. I need her light too. Tell me why, nigga, we can't even go bold. Apparently this at a tournament, nigga, we out who too deep. Hope this nigga in his shit. Table shit. Yeah, he in there. Yeah, he in there. Yeah, all nigga in there. That nigga not. Nigga, you in there? Oh, I thought you was in there.
No, right here, bro.
Damn, I told him, I said, please steal it, please steal it.
Nah, hell no. Now look, I was saying, is he in there? And then your lights changed, so I thought you was in there doing it. Type B. What you want, Hope? I heard we can't even go in there. I heard we can't even go in there.
A group of people went up there and they said, oh, we can't bowl, so.
You can't bowl?
Yeah.
A group of people went up
I
there.
came outside, y'all still outside.
Yeah, I guess I said no to bowling.
Niggas.
200 niggas.
Oh.
Niggas.
Harder.
Because they finally told them there's like 30 of us and they only got 1 or 2 lanes, that's what they said.
Damn. But they did say something about
You
11.
gotta think there is like a large.
That is true.
Right, niggas still like some niggas is like it's hella seats in there.
I mean, yeah, we're on bowling.
It's a whole bar in there on the sides. Like,
That's true. And we grown.
When it's in there. It's all good.
Y'all can't bowl.
Who good
Shit. I be cracking that bitch.
Can't bowl.
The weeds. Hey, I go all the way to the right. Turn this way. Bah.
I can show the dirt.
You feel me? Yeah, it's hot.
I can cheat now. I can bowl when I'm drunk. I ain't gonna lie.
Show me goddamn.
And I bought pretty too. I got a little spiral on my shit. I ain't gonna lie.
I mean, flipping it like this type shit.
Living it. Nah, that's crazy.
I hold it like this.
Oh, 2 hand type of nigga? Yeah, them niggas can bowl. Niggas who bowl 2 hand can bowl. I ain't gonna lie. Niggas that hold that bitch 2 hand can bowl.
I got like this. Spin that bitch like that, bro.
Look, he tired, nigga. And look, he hungry too. I can do some food.
I'm hungry as fuck.
Damn, I'm trying to bowl, chat. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm just trying to bowl. I might finna go hit this wood again. Go hit the wood, chat. Dead hungry.
Gotta break the box. Oh, that whole out?
Yeah.
I don't even blame you. I'm mad we can't bowl. Like, what the fuck are we supposed to do now?
No.
We wait for. I guess we wait for nigga ready. You know the nigga that?
Alright, send him.
Bros, we can't listen to the watch ass.
Chad, my shit finna die.
Yes, nigga.
Walking like fucking trying to be funny.
You don't need it. You don't need it.
See that shit?
Damn, that shit look good though. Damn.
Here you go. Like, get me up here too. This nigga, bro. Right on the line.
Yeah.
I told you I was selling to you, bro.
What do you got?
I'm scaring her.
That's scaring her.
Scaring her is crazy.
This nigga
He like, hold on, bro.
This ass is slick ass. She needs to.
She vlogging.
I was one of the same.
Hey, 12. 12. 12. 12.
Hey, where we going? Where we going? Are we bowling or we going somewhere else? We gotta go somewhere else. Where we going?
KJ, all y'all vlogging?
It's still good. Damn, where my young nigga at? Oh shit, you know I gotta hit that.
Vlogging on that bitch. Tell me why every time FSO pop out, it's like a army, bro. Every time FSO pop out, it's like an army. I'm not tripping.
I'll be on the way. We on different times.
That's why I
Best cameraman 2026, you heard? I am the best cameraman.
I mean,
I should be in SOB. No. I'm saying though. He said I should be good. We all got. I'm already know.
Which I was doing.
I know Don good.
All I got was a new box and a club too. And my stomach was yeah, I got $1 a cup. $1.
I'm gonna be in SOB. I'm gonna be in SOB too, man.
I don't know about all that.
I don't know.
Hold on, can't even see all that.
We got an SL3 RA. Goddamn Polaroid.
Wait, is that you just swap battery for battery? I got you.
Yeah, we don't need
Yeah, no, I got you.
That's okay.
They were just out here.
That shit copyright.
Oh, you got a new battery?
You got that new shit.
Yo, y'all know the big red born, nigga?
Don't say nothing about blowing down because you real good.
I'm gonna blow this shit up, nigga. Yo, stop blow this bitch up too right now.
Water!
Now you come over here and touch me.
Water!
That cheesecake it. Look, nigga cheesecake it. Nigga cheesecake it. Nigga cheesecake it. That was the cheesecake shit.
How y'all going? Oh, got them big red born.
I
I still don't see them though.
still don't see them. No! Yo, you have to get that in there, bro. You gotta get that in there.
Wait, if you say there's gonna be a vote, if it's open, how it's gonna be a vote? You know I'm valid. I'm gonna put the vote through tonight. Remind me.
But who's not gonna move it?
I'm valid, bro. He knows. There's nobody that. Vaughn is not here. That's get him out. I'm in charge right now. I'm in charge. I know Vaughn gonna approve it. And
who the VP?
Either way, Vaughn would. Bro, nigga, it doesn't matter. Either way, superior vote goes no matter what.
Well, who the VP?
And I'm about to be in SOB too.
Who's the VP?
I'm the president right now.
All right, who's the VP?
Just let it side eye, nigga.
Who's the VP, nigga?
Tabo
or Joey?
Nah, I don't know about. Yeah, either Tabo or Joey.
Tabo and Joey both.
And both of them niggas always approve, so it doesn't really matter.
Those my niggas anyway though. They gonna approve anyway.
The big red barn. The big red barn. I ain't doing
The bowling alley? No, damn. Literally looking up in your back.
He was waiting last night.
Oh, my baby daddy. Bow. That's the booty. Anybody say this?
Ow, this guy.
I did everything.
Anybody
What's a bunch of people out there?
Yo,
Is that say AK on it? But we get what's that, man? Damn, the cameraman, the one that crashed that bitch. Damn. That's the part? Yeah, that's the bowling.
Can't even bowl. Like with some ass for real, bro. Hey, hold on, there's hella people in there too. Like, what the fuck? Skyline bowling now.
Suck nigga die, nigga.
Fuck my baby daddy.
Cutting up, whoa! Nigga almost crashed, nigga.
My shit not don't go like this, you know?
That's my favorite rapper.
Don't like Vaughn, what you been doing, man? I'm in the crib, I'm coolin' niggas. Stacking up my paper, tryna make some molly niggas straight. 2014, I